We're at 488 Cobb Pkwy. Fenced in rear yard. 1.2 acres. With 9,500 square feet of building area. Partially paved parking lot. The back half is crush and run. This gives you a picture of the outside of the building. You could put a drive-in ramp there if you wanted to. Been utilized for motorcycle storage and repair. 12-foot ceilings to the drop ceiling, and then 16 feet to the peak is what we're being told. It does appear to be 100% air conditioned and heated. I'll make my way to the inside now.